Hey guys, Scott here with Start Funnels. I'm a little under the weather, but I wanted to shoot a video to chat a little bit about the difference between active income and passive income. Man, I look terrible. But hey, I'm determined to make another video for my YouTube channel. I'm definitely on the mend here, doing a little better. But okay, so active income, what is it? It's where you trade time for dollars and you actively go to work, put in the time, work hard in exchange for money. And that's fantastic. Everybody needs to do that. That's how the world goes around. If you're not working, then you can't afford anything. And that's how this world works. You have to use the paper form, which is called money, to be able to survive, to eat, and to buy things. And yeah, so that's how that works, and you all know that. Passive income, that is where you have some sort of something out there that kind of makes money for you without having to do much. So you don't really have to exchange your time. It's more like maybe you invest in something. You put in your money into a machine, and then that machine prints out money for you. So that is passive income, and that is where we should all, that's something we should all work towards. That's a goal that we should do. Now, there are people that trade their time for dollars, and it's a little bit amount of dollars, and there's people that make lots of money, and it usually comes in the form of per hour, right? So maybe it's $10 per hour, maybe it's $1,000 per hour. I don't know. But it doesn't matter where you're at there, you still should work towards the passive income. And why? Well, obviously it rings a little bit more true right now as I'm not feeling well. And I just have a little common bug, like a little 24-hour flu thing that puts me on my back and helps me think for a little bit about my life. But I'm grateful that it's just that. But anyway, we never know, what our circumstances may be. I'm 31 years old, and things could change with health situation and all that stuff anytime. So it's important to be able to make these cash machines. And that could be in all sorts of different forms. And right now, I'm seeing people do it through YouTube. That if you create a YouTube channel and you create content, that in a way can be like a machine. Yes, you do have to exchange your time up front to create videos and edit them and that sort of thing. But once that video is on the internet, it's always on the internet, and it's not going to go anywhere. And you can have links there where if people click the link, then you can sell things. And that can happen with affiliate marketing or your own physical products, etc. And so the internet is very powerful. It's digital real estate. So, from the older generations, people were all about, you hear successful people saying that they own some land, they own some property, they were in real estate, and that's how they were able to create some wealth and probably that passive income. I mean, rental income is fantastic, right? I mean, if you own some properties and you charge rent and you get paid $5,000-$10,000 a month, then that would really help anyone's living situation in today's world, right now in 2019. To be able to have that income come in without having to do much is really helpful. So that's that. But digital real estate is here, guys, and it's been around for a while, and it's just going to get more and more valuable. And how does that happen? Well, a lot of it happens with social media and these platforms like YouTube or a blog or stuff like that. And one of my professors years ago, this is probably 7 years ago, said, your following is going to be a big deal, and like popularity is going to be big. And I always wondered, popularity, that's kind of weird. But if you think about it, think about those that have a big following on social media. Well, they have sponsors coming to them saying, hey, can you post this in exchange for money? And, that post could be a quick little thing. And in a way, it's active and passive. Active because you've got to spend the time in doing that, but I guess you could delegate some of that and turn that into a business. But you have the foundation, you have that digital real estate in order to get paid out like that. So why am I creating this video? One, just to encourage anybody that's out there that's new to affiliate marketing, wants to earn some more income, those that are seeking for passive income, I would suggest looking into affiliate marketing. It's a great business. There's great opportunities right there right now in 2019. And I'm a part of a program that I think is absolutely stellar. It's called the High Ticket Affiliate Accelerator. If you haven't heard of that or don't know anything about it, there's a link below. You can click on the link, check that out. I highly would encourage that. And of course, there's all other sorts of ways to do affiliate marketing. And this you have to have a little bit of investment to do. And so if you're ready and serious about making some passive income, that's a great opportunity. And bringing back this in full circle, think how nice it would be that, maybe you're making this active income in your life now, and you need to do that. But if you had this cash machine on the side producing income for you, how nice would that be as well? That means you don't have to go into work and clock in. If you can do both, fantastic. But there will come times when everything's great, but you go on vacation. Well, on vacation, most people spend money, and your net worth, can go down. Well, if you've got these cash producing machines, then at the end of the trip, think how awesome it would be if you made more money. So a good mentor of mine is Dan Brock, the Deadbeat Super Affiliate. He just did a YouTube video about this. He's traveling all over Europe and pretty much said that, just like, hey, at the end of my trip, my net worth will actually be more. So that's a fantastic example. So hopefully this will just encourage anybody that is, maybe is not to that point to keep pushing forward. Work on the digital real estate, and maybe you have other skills to do other things and create other machines that can produce that money. So anyway, guys, I'll sign off, but thank you for watching. Have an awesome day, and I'll see you in the next video.